how to use Rampage filter on TikTok. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a Rampage filter on TikTok. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So to use the Rampage filter, what you need to do here, you just need to go to Instagram. So let me just get inside my official Instagram account, and in here this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do, you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then click on the plus sign on the top right corner. Now here this type of interface will pop up. So now what you need to do, simply you need to click on story option here. So after clicking to the story option, what you need to do, you have to simply tap on one of any of the filter here. So let me just tap here, and then here you can see the name of the filter is zoom out by Instagram. Here you can see on the bottom, simply tap here, this type of interface will pop up. So you just need to click on browser effect. So after clicking to this browser effect, you need to click on the top right corner. There is a search bar, simply tap here, and then you have to search for Rampage. Okay, so here you can see you will find Rampage here. My phone is my network is not working, so here if you type like this also you can get, but let me just show you again what you need to do here. I'm going to show you what you have to do. I'm going to show you here. So guys, what you need to do here, you have to search for this particular person, that is JEPHARAUJO. So you have to search for this. After searching, make sure to follow him on Instagram. He's the creator of this Rampage filter. So now here you can see on the feed, you can see here the filter icon here. Simply tap on this filter icon, and then here you can see a Rampage filter. So just click on Rampage here, and then here you will get try it option in your phone, but my phone is not getting, but you will absolutely get that. So you can get in this way. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.